Do you want to improve your heart health and stay healthy? Introducing Heart Healthy Food, the top 5 heart healthy food that you need to start incorporating into your daily routine. These foods are packed with nutrients that help to improve your heart health, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling great. By choosing these foods, you can improve your overall health and well-being while enjoying delicious meals at the same time. Watch this video till the end and start your journey towards a healthier heart today with Heart Healthy Food. Top 5 foods for a healthy heart. Not all foods are created equally when it comes to eating. There are certain winners and losers when it comes to eating to lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. We are looking more closely at heart healthy foods and foods to avoid as we work to raise awareness of cardiovascular health and what we can do to lower our risk of cardiovascular disease. The second largest cause of death in Canada, heart disease, affects about 2.4 million adult Canadians. According to the available research, a heart-healthy diet is one that is rich in fiber, antioxidant, vitamins, minerals, polyphenols, monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids, and low in salt, refined sugar, saturated fat, and trans fats. In broader words, this translates to consuming a lot of extra virgin olive oil as well as fruits, vegetables, legumes, fish, seafood, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Here, we focus on the top 5 heart-healthy foods to incorporate into your diet in order to maintain cardiovascular health. For a healthy heart, eat right. Dark green leafy vegetables, the vitamin K found in leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens, is essential for a healthy blood coagulation and artery protection. They also include significant amount of dietary nitrates, which have been demonstrated to lower blood pressure, lessen arterial stiffness, and enhance the performance of the cells lining the blood vessels. According to one study of age research, eating more leafy green vegetables was linked to a 16% lower incidence of heart disease. A high intake of leafy green vegetable was associated with a considerably lower risk of coronary heart disease. According to another study involving 29689 women, eat lots of salads, add spinach to your morning omelette, and add dark leafy greens to your smoothies to get more greens into your diet. 2. Berries. Berries are nature's candy, so they can't go wrong. The essential nutrients that are abundant in strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are crucial for heart health. Antioxidants like anthocyanins, which guard against oxidative stress and inflammation, are also abundant in berries. Additionally, they contain a lot of fiber, which supports normal blood sugar levels and may help prevent the onset of heart disease. According to one study, consuming blueberries regularly enhanced the health of the blood vessel lining cells, which regulate blood pressure and blood coagulation. Furthermore, a review of 22 studies revealed that eating berries was linked to lower blood of bad LDL cholesterols, systolic blood pressure, body mass index, and certain inflammatory markers. You can't go wrong if you eat your berries on salads, in yogurt or oatmeal, in smoothies, or just on their own. 3. Fish oil and fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, which have been widely researched for their heart health advantage. The American Heart Association advises consuming 2 meals of fish each week, preferably fatty fish. A serving of cooked fish equals 3.5 ounces or about 3/4 cup of flaked fish. It's interesting to note that each reduction in weekly fish consumption of 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, was linked to a 19% increase in the likelihood of having one extra risk factor of heart disease, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or obesity. Another study found a long-term relationship between consuming fish and having reduced total cholesterol, blood triglycerides, fasting blood sugar, and systolic blood pressure. There is one caveat, though. You must refrain from eating any seafood that may contain the greatest levels of mercury, such as shark, swordfish, king, mackerel, or tailfish. Consume a range of mercury-free fish, shellfish such as canned, light tuna, salmon, pollock, and catfish. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains a lot of flavonoids and antioxidants that can improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. You'll be happy to know that a significant study found that those who ate chocolate at least 5 times a week had a 57% lower risk of coronary heart disease than people who did not consume chocolate. According to another study, eating chocolate at least twice a week was linked to 32% lower incidence of calcified artery plaque. The Cleveland Clinic reports that flavonoids found in cocoa and chocolate may also improve blood flow to the heart and brain, lower blood pressure, and make blood platelets less sticky and clotting prone in addition to their antioxidant properties. It's crucial to note that these studies used dark chocolate instead of candy bars that are loaded with sugar and other artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors. Choose a high-quality dark chocolate with a minimum 70% cocoa content and limit your intake to maximize its heart-healthy effects. 5. Green tea. Polyphenols and catechins, which are abundant in green tea, can function as antioxidants to stop cell deterioration, lessen inflammation, and safeguard the health of your heart. Additionally, it has the ability to burn fat and relax the neurological symptoms.
A larger intake of green tea catechins was linked
to noticeably lower levels of LDL and total cholesterol, according to one review of 20 trials. Additionally, a study including 1367 individuals revealed that green tea lowered systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Another small trial discovered that, in comparison to a placebo, 3 months of ingesting green tea extract decreased blood pressure, triglycerides, LDL, cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Your heart will thank you if you substitute your morning tea for the coffee. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to get regular updates on my channel